Okay, so let us start posting some asset transactions. Okay, Ashwin Chari, you are there, right? Slash O. Okay, now we are understanding posting of the transactions for asset accounting, financial accounting. Okay,
Screen share.
screen share I already did, I think. Now,
No, no, sir.
okay, I think I missed out to share the screen. Yep, now you're able to see.
No, sir. Not yet, sir. Yeah, now it's sir.
Okay, so financial accounting. Now what I'm trying to do is now we see
Sir,
we did.
recording.
Yep, recording also started. Yes, it's getting recorded. Yep, recording is getting started. It's recording, not getting started. So we are understanding asset accounting, the transactions, business transactions like acquisition or like retirement or like calculating depreciation or like scrapping, unplanned depreciation and so on. Okay. So we have just imagine that you purchased asset. After purchasing asset, what you will do? You will calculate your depreciation, then you will sell it out. So we'll see the basic asset accounting transactions, how it will get updated in SAP. Okay. So under financial accounting, so which area when we are learning now? GLARP.
Asset.
Fixed assets. Okay, so fixed assets,
Yes.
select fixed assets, posting, periodic processing, information system, environment. So information system is reporting, periodic processing, any period activities, asset and posting, asset master data, create AS01, asset master data creation. We are creating so in accounts receivable we have customer master, in accounts payable we have supplier master, in the GL accounting we have GL master, in asset accounting we have asset master. All these are all these are asset masters. So what is transaction data? Like posting, vendor invoice, vendor payment, customer invoice, customer payment, GL posting, even asset posting is a transactional data. Okay, this is asset master. Now we already created asset class. What is asset class we created?
TAF.
Yep, so system gives you,
TSL.
so FFTA98 is our furniture fittings asset class. So number of similar assets, if I give 10, 10 assets will be created. If I give one asset will be created. Press enter. So system is throwing one error, started with errors now. Information about last completed fiscal year is incomplete. So for asset accounting, we have to specify which is your current financial year. Okay. So for that, what we should do, click on this one. So if you look at here for valuation area, ignore it. Check the last closed fiscal year for the valuation area. You can check this customizing asset accounting under make settings for company code. Transaction FAA underscore CMP. So this you have to be updated your last closing fiscal year. So system is expecting one transaction. Where exactly it is? Periodic processing, no. Okay, control FAA underscore CMP. It is coming under periodic processing, I think, if I'm not wrong. So it is coming under periodic processing. Okay. Under feed assets, under periodic processing, under year end closing, we have this one FAA underscore CMP, execute undo, year end closing. This is a year end activity. So basically what we should do, click on change mode. So we are in TA98. So don't do anything here. Click on legacy data transfer. Click on create. Okay. Why this is required? Cancel it. Where is TA98? Here it is there, right? See here we have this one. Okay. This one under TA98 you have two accounting principles. This is your first node. Okay. General settings and legacy data transfer. Don't do any changes here. Ledger set here leading ledger. Okay. Click on change mode. enter the financial year. I mean, what is your current financial year? 2025. What does it mean? 2024 is your old financial year and it is closed. Okay, you have opened the 2025 year. Press enter. Okay, click on save. System is period determination is not possible on date 2025-09-13 period control. So system is throwing another error. Period determination is not possible on 2025-09-13. Today is 13, right? So for depreciation key with period control 98, period control method of phase depreciation period could not be determined. So system is expecting some maintain the period assignment for the period control, define calendar assignment, general period controls. We'll see. Define calendar assignments. Define calendar assignments. Okay, basically system is expecting fiscal variant. Okay, so here what we'll do, anyone remember what is our fiscal variant? AFFV. I'll copy this one. So what is your fiscal variant for our company code? Anyone remember? TA?
Maybe T8 or T9.
I think TA only, right? TA.
Yes.
So what I'm doing is I'm just assigning our fiscal variant to the period controls for the pro rata mid period for start date and at the start date. So basically period control we are assigning it. Click on copy. This is a standard one. Just assign it. Click on save. Continue. So fiscal variant period control combination has been assigned and this is blank only. Delete it. It is not required here. Click on save and come back. So generate period control. It was asking period controls also. Fiscal variant. Okay, this one ignore it. We'll see. So under calendar assignment I assigned fiscal variant. Okay. Cancel it. I'll just cancel the transaction once again. So go to the same execute and instead of clicking here, click on leading ledger. Under leading ledger, what you do? Change mode. Give your highest fiscal year. Press enter. Okay. Click on save. Period determination is not possible on 2025-09-13 for period control. Yes. /o OBY6 position. Company code is TA98. Who said our variant is TA? Tell me. Sakshi?
The right.
Expected same TA.
What we invented? TA na? Why this is not coming now? It is 98. Okay, 98. Array. Click on save. Continue. Back, back, back. Close this one. Close. Again close. Come back here. Go and select it. Refresh your transaction. So here what you should do?
Change.
Better keep it on the ledger mode first. Okay. Then click on change mode. Click here 2025. You are updating your current financial year. Okay. Press enter. Click on save. Okay. Now see settings for company code TN98 saved successfully. Okay. Now check for the T9 also. T9 also it is updating the same. If you update for 0, it will copy from the T. It will copy to T9 also. Okay. Now we are see fiscal year 98 and ledger is T9. Highest financial year is 2025. For 0 also same. Okay. Now with this transaction has been done. Okay. So come back to the asset master. Create asset. So why earlier we were facing error, right, while defining asset master. So you have to rectify that issue. Then you have to come back here. So the only missing transaction was calendar assignment. Okay. You have to in the calendar assignment we have to define it for our relevant period controls. Okay. Fine. So enter your asset class, enter your company code, number of assets 1, press enter, depreciation, furniture fittings, many are there here. Furniture, fittings, take one thing, so many has created here, 19, TEA, 98, this is for the first asset, okay. So here description, if you want to give description you can give here also, it's up to you. And this is serial number is like for some products you will see serial numbers also, okay, unique number for each vehicle or each computer, each every product will have some unique number, inventory number, some any, if anything material number, if you have quantity, if it is, if your asset related to quantity then you will update quantity. Time dependent data, sorry, the first general data tab you can see down. So here this is deactivation field. I mean once you sell the asset we can see the deactivation date and system will update the values here. Time dependent data, system will ask you the enter the cost center, okay, and from cost center will update, you will see the profit center, press enter. So it got updated profit center as well as business area also, because in cost center master data your profit center and business area is maintained. That's the reason these two fields got populated, auto populated automatically in the master asset master. Okay. Origin from which vendor you have purchased you can update here, or else system will update automatically. Depreciation areas, so this is important. So depreciation areas, remember in asset class we updated the depreciation areas and we assigned to the asset class, right, depreciation key. So it's coming automatically. Okay, this is coming automatically. Still you can overwrite it from here. Okay, we have only one depreciation key, but still we can overwrite the values here, but you can default it or you can overwrite it. So TLS is the straight line method for the TN98 company for furniture and fittings. Useful life 10 years. This is 0 and this is, you can ignore it. We'll see. Click on save. Okay. 10 asset has been created. Asset 10 is created. Now go back to the uh, asset display. Click on asset values. Sakshi, I have one question for you. We created one asset, right? I hate these three dots. Why it's taking time?
सर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बहुत बड़ा था दैट्स
This is nothing. AC01 or display, enter, press enter. Now it's showing. Okay. So this is your asset. This is 0. This asset is created under which asset class? This is your asset class FFTA98, and this asset class account determination. See here, account determination. All the GL accounts will be assigned under this account determination. If I double click here, system will take you to the GL account part. I mean GL account. See, so okay. So once we assign the GL account, system will it will auto populate it. Now, so time dependent cost center enter, the system will update business part profit center origin, system will update the vendor master as well once we purchase asset. Now my question to Sakshi is, I don't see, so this is your asset, you see two accounting, I mean this is your Indian accounting standard, one accounting principle, the another one is a tax accounting principle. So two, one for local currency, one for group currency, one for local currency, one for group currency. Okay, you have that flexibility in the different currencies, we can see the values. This is, if I double click here, it will show in INR, this will show in group currency. But why I don't see any values here, Sakshi? It's saying no values. Why? Anyone? Why I don't see the values? Divya, Chari,
As of now, we have created master data. No transactions posted.
is it?
Yes.
That's correct. We have not purchased it all, right? We created asset master, but we have not purchased it all. You have to purchase it, right? So let us start posting the transactions. Accounting, financial accounting, fixed assets, posting, acquisition. We'll acquire the asset. We purchase asset from vendor. Okay. We have two options. We can purchase asset from the vendor, or we can purchase asset internally also. F-90 F-90 is a transaction where you purchase the asset. I'll purchase asset from the beginning of the year so that you will understand the depreciation calculation as well. 2025, and you can give the same date, 01/04/2025. So we can mention asset purchase so that it's a reference for us. Control C, Control V. So for this one, it is picking normal asset acquisition, also picking KR document, which is vendor invoice, okay, which is as acquisition from purchase. So 31 posting is vendor. So enter the vendor here. From which vendor you are purchasing the asset? So I want to purchase it from TCS. Yes, we'll purchase it. No amount tolerance range. Again, someone has created it. /O SPRO IMG. Anyone remember that shortcut T code for the transaction? Financial accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, business transactions, open it and clearing, and the clearing differences, and assign users to tolerance groups. I'll remove this one, 1300. Okay. But what is the T code, sir, for this one? Every time it is asking for us. There is no transaction code. Additional information, display key, IMG activity.
OBA 4, I think.
It's OB57, sir. Just remember OB57. Every time it's very difficult for us, right? Going
OBA
back to the
4
path.
for above
Huh.
1 tolerance.
So come back to the acquisition posting, press enter. That issue has been resolved. Good news. So let us take some big value, 5 lakhs. It's there, 5 lakhs. And the payment terms 0001, start, I mean payment immediately. Text, this is asset acquisition. Do we have asset acquisition? Asset acquisition. Now you're purchasing asset from this vendor, but asset should come here, right? So for asset, you remember we have only two posting keys for asset. What are the two posting keys for asset?
70, 75.
Very good. So 70 is,
72,
so which
78.
one I have to enter now? 70 or 75?
It is debit now, so 70.
70 or 75? 75 it is, right?
70.
75.
70.
Char is so confident. Okay, it
Because
is
they
70
purchasing
only, and enter the asset master here. Where is asset master?
EA98.
FFTA, this is ours, right? Double click here. Now transaction type, SAP has provided different business transactions. One is for asset acquisition externally, asset acquisition internally. So we have different transaction types are provided by SAP for the different scenarios. Okay, and retirement transfer of the current fiscal years. Many are there. Many are there. We'll use a few 100. We'll use or 210, like retirement. We'll use You'll understand slowly. Okay, press enter. 100 here. 100 is nothing but asset acquisition. Externally means we are purchasing from outside party, not from the internally. We are purchasing from other vendor, not belongs to the same company. Okay, it's from other company. Press enter. No amount authorizations. What is this, sir? Okay, I think we have not refreshed, right?
No, no, it is other error.
No, sir, I don't. Is it?
Same for the tolerance only, but there are three options, right?
Okay, okay. Is it, sir? We'll try. This is your vendor master. Press enter. Value 5000. Payment terms 0001. Text message as asset acquisition. This is 70 posting is asset master. Select your asset master here. Asset is where is asset TA98 furniture fittings. Is this external transaction type 100? Press enter. Press enter. Terms of payment changed. Press enter. Okay. I'll remove the withholding tax. Press enter. So what happened, sir? You said something. 5 lakhs. Okay.
Every time we are getting same error, sir.
Asset
Two to three
acquisition.
times.
You have to refresh. That's it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Document simulate. See, now system started throwing the errors. What is this error? KTANSW balance sheet APC could not be found for area 01. What does it mean? What is 01, sir? Anyone? What is 01?
Area that is
Depreciation area.
Exactly. 01 is the depreciation area. That's correct. And balance sheet account. So it is saying that account KTANSW balance sheet account APC could not be found for 01. Basically, one is vendor account, another one is GL asset account. Have we created asset account, GL account? Anywhere we mentioned furniture fitting asset account?
no.
No. So we need GL account, right, for purchasing asset. So this KTANSW, what we should do? Go to the uh, path integration with the GL accounting, assign GL accounts. It's a balance sheet account. Asset is a balance sheet. TA98. Go to the account determination. What is our account determination? FFTA 98. Select your FFTA 98. Click on balance sheet accounts. So 1 and 3 book depreciation. So see here balance sheet AP. Now how I will come to know whether this is a technical word, Sakshi? KTANSW. System is expecting one GL account for KTANSW. So come here, press enter here F1, click on F1. Technical information is the right one. KTANSW. System is expecting GL account. See for this one, this field. Balance sheet balance sheet account acquisition production cost. It's mentioned APC. APC means acquisition production cost. So acquisition GL account. KTANSW. That's the reason while posting the transaction, system is hitting us. It is throwing error, right? So throwing error. Document simulate, system is throwing this error. So basically we need one asset account. Okay, is that clear? What we should do? What we should do, sir?
We have to create one GL for assets. Furniture and fittings assets.
Seriously, if you don't define, what happens? Slash o fs00. Okay, let it be slash n fs00. If I don't create GL account, what happens? It throws error, right? Asset accounting here, create, click on create. What is the next GL account? 1004. 1004. I want to create it for asset account. Asset is balance sheet, and this is for the assets, and this is for furniture and fittings. Not sufficient space. So I'll go like this. Okay. Still it is not sufficient. Control C, Control V. Okay, this is your asset description. Control data, it's an asset. Again asset is a reconciliation account. Asset master. Okay, all asset masters are reconciliation account. All or not all, at least balance sheet accounts are assets reconciliation accounts. Scroll down, you can give the same as a 0018 and create bank interest G067. Click on save. So 1004 we created as furniture fittings. Just make sure that it is a reconciliation account. Okay, and 1004 go back to the uh, KT. This is, I'll come back here, come back here. So now you should tell me ascend GL accounts. साक्षी अभी क्या करना है, अंदर जाना है, you have to select your relevant chart of accounts. Okay, TN98, click on account determination. We are under which account determination you have to assign the GL account for furniture and fittings, right? So FF TN98 is my furniture fittings ka identification account determination. Select this one. So asset is a balance sheet account. Double click on balance sheet accounts, basically acquisition account. You have two depreciation areas, 1 and 3. 2 and 4 will determine from 1 and 3. Okay, so first depreciation area, now you have to give the GL account. What is the GL account we define? 1004. So go back to the 1004. Now if I save this one, what happens? Nothing happens. So if I don't save it under next, this is first depreciation area. If you click here, second one, it will take here. If I don't define here, again system will throw the same error here while posting the transaction. So you have to define GL account here also. But in case if your business says for other accounting principle we want a different account, it's okay. We can create one more GL account and assign it here. But in our case, we'll assign the same GL account. Click on save. Consultation transfer. Okay, this is warning message. We'll see if at all if it is asking, then we'll make it as optional. We are done with what we have done. We have done with assignment of acquisition account. Press enter. Document. No, not sure. I think we need to refresh, but we'll see. Simulate. Uh, Simulation. Okay. Now click on asset accounting. See, now asset accounting in the simulation mode only. I mean still in simulation mode. Okay, you remember. So 1004 is asset account which is coming on the debit, credit is on the vendor account, vendor reconciliation account, vendor GL account. This is your asset reconciliation account just now we created. This is your vendor reconciliation account. This 1003 you remember, debit credit, it will update with your technical clearing account. Is this okay? Any questions on this one, guys?
Sir, here 20, that is reconciliation account, right?
Which one, sir?
Creditors and
Which one, sir?
just wait, sir. GL.
Tell me.
1003 is what? What is that, sir?
1003.
Which account is this?
This one, sir.
Technical clearing. Okay.
Okay. So here come back to the Excel sheet.
So here it is not showing directly vendor or asset. It is showing only reconciliation accounts.
It will show only reconciliation accounts. So where is that one account? It will show only GL accounts. Yes. Yeah, it will show only GL accounts, right?
So I'm checking that. So we have posted one vendor account and we have posted to one
This is
asset
vendor only, right? Vendor reconciliation account.
reconciliation account.
You
It is
want to
not
see
showing directly vendor
yeah.
account.
If
It
you
is
want to
showing
see,
only reconciliation
if you
account.
want to see the vendor, you can see it here, right?
Uh,
Still, if you want to see simulate asset accounting, here also it is showing the same thing. Here also it is showing the same thing. Here also it is showing the same thing. General ledger. Here also showing the same thing, GL only. Okay, this is how system will update in SAP system. Now go back.
Sir,
Yep.
sir, if 1003 is technical clearing account, so double A is why it is showing double A for like for 1003, it's shown a double A, but here double A KR double A, why it is showing like this? Document type.
So system will post in the both what do you say? It will update in all the accounting principles with both the document types. While posting the transaction, okay. So we'll do one thing. I'll post the transaction here with the KR. It is showing 31 and 70. Okay. I'll click on post. Account object profit center differ from that in asset master record. Account object profit center differs from that in asset master record. Profit center differs. Okay, we'll see. Document simulate. Click on post. Account object profit center differs from that asset master record. Okay. Go to the /o obc4. So basically, system is not able to find the profit center. Okay, we'll make it optional for the both the GL accounts, reconciliation account and as well as a technical reconciliation account. We'll see. Field status groups. Sorry, what is the field status variant for us? TN98 only, right?
Yes.
TN98. Select this one. Double click field status group. Go to the position. Sorry, G067 only, right? G067 is your reconciliation account field status group. Double select here. Double click here. And here additional account assignments, the system is saying cost center. We'll make it optional here. And where is the profit center? Profit center will make it optional. Okay. And anything
Business
else?
area also it is this.
Business area also make it optional only. So this is fine. Click on save. Click on save. So both a technical clearing account as well as asset reconciliation account has both. Okay, fine. Now we'll see if it is throwing that error because it was in suppress mode. So go back to this one, click on post again. No, document, simulate, click on post. So what we should do?
Refresh the transaction.
Refresh the transaction. -90. Okay. Now change the date. You can give any date. It's not like that. But I want to purchase it from the beginning of the year so that I can show you the values. This is your supplier. By payment terms, asset acquisition 70, your asset master 10, external transaction step is 100, which is external vendor. Remove the withholding tax. Now 5 lakhs here. Description just mention. System is updating now. Document simulate. Click on post. Interval 21 subject of TA. Interval 21 subobject TA 98 to 22 year 2025 does not exist for interval 21 subobject TA 98. What is 21, sir?
I think document number. So
KR.
this
So system was expecting some number ranges. We'll see. OBS7. What is KR? 1819 is already defined, right? It's already we posted many transactions, right, for the KR. 19
yes.
is there. System is expecting 21, but what is 21? We can't define my blindly, right?
Asset document number I think.
Asset AA document type. Yes, 21. So Sakshi, you are saying that the AA also is getting post system by it's a standard process. Sakshi, it is posting with the AA also for couple of line items. Okay, with 21. So here TA98 change interval. What is the next number? 1000 हो गया, 1100 हो गया, 1200 हो गया. So which one I have to give?
1201 to 1299.
Someone has locked my ID. Who locked that ID, sir?
You only.
Me only, yeah. SM12. So remove this one also. Search. Select. Shit. Select. Delete it. See, within seconds someone is creating it. Delete it. Oh my god, this is continuously happening. Ignore it. Go to the OBS7 again. What was the document type, Sakshi? It's AA, right?
Yes.
Asset postings 21 करना है अपन को error यही इसका ही मार रहा है. We are getting error for 21 only. TA98 change enter because for KR it is already there 19. Okay. Now 21 needs to be defined. Change interval. Where is the entry? Sorry. Change mode. Click on plus. So 2025. This is 1201 to 1300. and this is 21.
Yeah.
Click on save. Click on continue. Come back. Come back. So let it be that one. Come back to the transaction. So इसका कर दिया मैंने. Okay, press enter. Now document, simulate, click on post. You will get one more entry error, I think. No document number found for entry for document type AA ledger T9. Okay, so basically asset accounting will, since you remember, right, you take anything, so we have two accounting principles. So do you so system is expecting number ranges for this one and this one, basically for the another accounting principle and the standard accounting principle. Okay, system is expecting number ranges even for T9 also. That's the reason system is throwing error here. So whenever you post asset accounting transaction, system will expect for the both accounting principles number ranges. Okay, system will expect number ranges for all the AA. AA is nothing but document type. For AA also system is expecting T9. So click on view details. Just remember AA T9. See here, define document types for in one particular ledger T9. I can enter particular ledger which is T9 here. Okay, so system is expecting SA is already there earlier, new entries. So here what I'll do,
Yeah, yeah.
AA, and you can give the
Number
same
is
value
21.
7. No, not 21. We can give any number. Okay, click on save. 21 is for the main number 0L.
Okay.
Okay, so here we can give the same number. We can give same numbers here, not an issue. Okay, come back. So I already defined AA for we have
T9.
defined AA for normal number range as well as specific ledger also T9. Okay, now click on document, click on, it's already simulated, right? Click on post, document, simulate, click on post. Okay, at last 408 has been created. Now let us understand document display. So we posted this entry. How many of you agree? Have you posted this
Vendor
entry? So this is your
technical
vendor
hearing.
account and this is 1003. What is the 1003?
Technical hearing account.
Yes, technical clearing account, right? Double click here, tech clearing account. Okay, so Sakshi, whenever we post, so system is, while posting the asset accounting transaction, we debited, credited, sorry, this is your asset. Okay,
No, sir. Vehicle is asset. Vendor is common.
so system will post like this, okay. So what happens if you look at here, vendor credited, and 1003 technical clearing account debited. If you look at our transaction, these two settings, okay, and you can see this one also. Now let us see, we are now this is clear. Okay, let us understand this part also. Now whenever we post the transaction, it is showing in the entry view as this one. Now go back to the GL view. GL view is not required, but so Chari, I mean not only for Chari, if you look at here, so always entry view will show as it is only 1000, I mean basically vendor account. If you go to GL view, it will show in the GL accounts view 2001 Sunday creators GL account. Okay, GL view show with all the GL accounts. Entry will show all the relevant accounts, supplier, customer, and so on. Now what I want to try is come back again here, array display, click on asset accounting. So system posted two documents 408 1000 2000. So 408 posted with KR and 1201 posted with AA. Okay, both reconciliation updated in the both document types. So one is with your vendor with one is with vendor with technical clearing account, which is with KR document type, and one technical clearing account with asset with a different asset related document type. So Sakshi, to your answer to your question, whenever you pick any asset transaction, system will trigger asset accounting AA document type. Okay.
Sir, here we can see four standard ledgers. So if we want to see
Standard ledgers
non-lead, sorry, leading ledger.
huh, 4
So
can
why
be.
it is not showing for T9?
You want to see T9? Okay, come back. So go to the document display. Okay, what I'll do, I'll take the document list. I'll remove this one first. Okay, I'll entry date, I'll put it entry date. We'll see how many documents got posted with today's date. We posted only asset related, right? Other than asset, we have not posted anything.
Yes.
Okay, so 3 documents posted, Sakshi. 3 documents. So 408 is for KR. Okay, 408, this is KR document with reconciliation account with vendor account. Of course, vendor reconciliation we can say.
That is
This is
invoice, right?
this is your vendor invoice. Okay, this is one document, and um, we'll see GL view. We see other ledger also is updating T9 here. Fine.
Yes.
इसका T9 हो गया.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come back. So 408 is done. 701. 701. Again, this is updating between asset reconciliation with your technical clearing account. Technical clearing asset both are like again same 70 75 asset reconciliation accounts. Okay, for this one GL view, it's updating T9 also. This is also fine. Come back and check for the 1201. It's updating again for GL view 0L. This is the main ledger. For this one, it is not updated. It's the same one only. Okay, it's not. There is no 0L for this document. That's the reason it has been updated. Same 1004 1003. If you look at here, 1004 1003. See 1004 1 for the 0L, one for the T9. Okay, this has both accounting principles under same document, but for T9 for asset related we have 2 documents are there, one for 0L, one for T9. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
I will repeat it again. Okay, this whatever the document we posted 408, this has both ledgers T9 as well as 0L. For asset related, it has been posted 2 documents, one is for the 0L, one is for the T9. Any questions, anyone? Remember we defined what do you say, the configurations accordingly for the both. If you look at here, see all both accounting principles, so system will expect the number ranges for the both. This is for the 0L, it's picking from the normal number range, and this is picking from the specific ledger. Specific ledger it is for the T9 number range. Okay, for this one T9 70 T9, that's correct. Anyone tell me how 701 is getting triggered? Divya, Sakshi, Ashwin. You remember, right? We defined 1201 to 1300. This is fine. This is also fine. From the KR document type, it is picking. From where I'm getting 701? I'll double click here. I will click here also. I'm giving very good hint. Now tell me from where it is picking this 701 document number.
Sir, we have defined T double as 70 now.
70. So 1 क्यों आ रहा है फिर 70 से आना चाहिए ना. that is number range 2-digit value, right? So for that we defined /o fbn1. Initially we defined, okay, tn98 display. For the 70 also we define, see here 7002 800 701 asset now abhi create hua hai. Abhi 70 kahan diya hai? For the T9 we give, just now we had given the configuration, right? Here हाँ मैंने 5 निकाल दिया होगा, I'll show you. SPRO financial accounting, global settings, document, number ranges for a specific ledger, okay? Define document types in a ledger. So T9 यहाँ दिया, अपन यहाँ दिए थे, correct, which is 70 for AA. The 70 number range we already given for SA, so we already defined the number ranges. Is it okay? Is it clear?
But number range we have not entered anywhere, sir. How maybe it is
Number ranges we
default?
not. Sir, 70 is updated here, right, sir? 70 is updated here, right?
Yeah, 70 updated,
For
but
70 only
number.
number ranges I had given. For T9 I'm mentioning as 70, sir. For asset accounting, for A document type 70. For 7, where is the 70 number range? Under the number range we already defined earlier for SA document type itself by learning GL part. 70 it's there. If at all, if you're getting confused, for example, for T9, if you give something other than 70, if I give some 80, then system will ask you to enter the 80 number range.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yeah, yeah.
Divya got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, here we are mentioning ledger specific document type for the TN as 70. If you mention 80, 80 define the number range with 80. If you mention 90, define with the number range 90. But in I'm just for all the document types for the specific ledger I'll give the same number, so no need to define number range every time. If you are defining different number ranges, then go ahead and define the number ranges. That's it for your company code. Okay. So total
But in general ledger area, document numbers is same for the leading ledger and non-leading ledger.
huh. So for asset account, it's definitely, I mean, okay, but I have one question here, Chari. You remember, if you want to post a specific ledger, then that's the reason we have tested that scenario also. That's the reason we tested with SA also. If you want to post specific ledger transactions, we have to give separate number range. It will throw the error actually. You remember? Forgotten?
Got it?
Okay, go to configuration settings. See, specific ledger posting. If you want to post a specific ledger posting, new functionality in SAP. So we can define separate document type for non-leading ledgers, or we can use existing standard document types. But system expects number range for posting to specific ledger. Is fine? Sentence?
Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So separate transaction. If you're posting to specific ledger, system expects the number range. Okay, so we can define separate document type. No need to define separate. We can use the standard no, can't. Okay, it's up to you. We will define it. It's fine, or we can just use the same thing. Number range. I'll remove this one. System expects number range for posting to specific ledger for the same document types. If you're posting with SA, then better to maintain the same document type only. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Practice करना है both. Come back to the configuration settings or system. So this is fine. I'm not changing anything here. And go back to the transaction. Now understood, right, Sakshi? We have total 3 documents posted. For the first one entry, when we posted for the first document, system automatically updated in both ledgers 0L and other ledger also T9. But for asset accounting, asset related documents, one for the 0L, one for the what do you say, T9. Okay, T9 is this one. If you look at here, T9, there is no other ledger, see here T9, and this is for the normal asset accounting related, which is 0L. Is that clear? System posted 3 documents. If you want to see all together, you can. Asset accounting, you can see all the documents here. I mean both the documents here. So Sakshi, here it is not showing the other 2 line items, right? That's what you are saying. 1201 408. We need one more also, 701. Then it will be good. Here we don't have an option, I think. Accounting principle, Tata Chemical Indian Accounting Standards. Can we change the accounting principle here? I don't think so. It is showing only for the one accounting principle. We have another accounting principle also. You can explore. Now go back to the asset. Now अभी इसका क्या करना है, इसको refresh करना है. So system will update all the values to your asset master, asset values. So go back to the book depreciation. We purchased at the cost of 5 lakhs. This asset has been purchased with the 5 lakhs. And what was the percentage depreciation percentage, Chari?
10%.
So on 5 lakhs, how much it is? 50,000. So your net book value is 4 lakhs 50,000. Okay, under planned values. Now scroll down. This is your external asset acquisition. If you double click here also, system will take you to the accounting transaction. Back, and posted values. So these posted values is nothing but a depreciation values. Okay, so as of now we have not posted any depreciation value. So if I scroll up here, so it is all for the 12 periods. In a year, how many periods we have? 12 periods.
12.
So system divided the 50,000 to 12 periods. But how this is getting calculated? Calculator. So this is, where is calculator? Tell me, sir. 50,000, right? 50,000
Yeah.
into
By
divided by into what?
by 12.
Divided by
12.
12 into 30
Why?
divided by 365. Shit. 50,000 into 30 divided by 365. Is that correct? 4109.58. Happy?
Yes.
So 50,000 into 30. April period is 30 days, right? 30 divided by 4109.
But
Exactly.
why it is 4246? Maybe for it is what 31 days.
You are asking me to do it, huh? 50,000 into 31 divided by 365 days. Happy, sir?
So, sir, I
Okay.
have question. That's what.
Don't
So
ask
what I am thinking, 50,000 by 12, it will be same for all the months, right? I am thinking in that way.
So in that case, what you should do, you can try different methods. Then where is that configuration? You can play the configurations, sir. We can play the configurations. So depreciation, valuation methods, depreciation key, calculation methods, and where we have that one, depreciation key, and here TA98 and position. What we created? TA SLR.
Yes.
TSL, double click here, and depreciation to the days, each and every day it is calculating. If I don't define this one, we'll see what happens. Even I don't know, you ask the question, I'm experimenting, now I'm testing it. Refresh. I don't know whether it will get updated because it's already calculated, right? Display, click on asset values, and this report asset values report, right, which is also called asset explorer report. Okay, you can see it's this is asset explorer report, and it is called as AW01N report transaction. It is okay, it's the same transaction. Now go back to the posted values. No, it's not changing anything, sir. It's same, no difference. But it's better to activate the depreciation to the day. Okay. So on the left side you can see we purchased this asset from this one and from this department, and this belongs to furniture fittings pharma. If I double click here, system will take you to the GL master if I am not wrong. Yep. And this is your cost center, it will take you to the cost center, and vendor master, it will take the vendor master. So profit center, you take a profit center, and you have two accounting principles. So if I group currency, if I double click group currency, then it's showing under USD. Okay, USD. Double click here. So it is showing under USD values. Okay, some values are like odd values because someone has maintained exchange rates something oddly. Now here also local currency, and this is also group currency. Makes sense now? It is updating in respective currency. And comparisons, let me put it under local currency once. So what is the useful lives, Divya, asset master? How many years
Sir,
we had in asset master? We had given the useful life also. How many years we had given?
9.
9 or
10 years. 10 years we
10
have.
years. So
10.
1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 years it is coming, Chari, right? So
Yes.
your acquisition value is 5 lakhs, and the first year 50,000, which is depreciated at 10%, which is 50,000. 5 lakhs minus 50, which is 450. So your depreciation value for straight line method will be always the same: 50,000, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. Okay, 5 lakhs, 10% is 50,000. 50,000 for all years. It will be same value, and your net book value will get decreased every year. Is this method is clear? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so parameters, this is again important. So what is the depreciation get calculated? It took this depreciation key, and useful life is 10 years, and the remaining life 10 years because we have not depreciated it, and the depreciation will be calculated from 1st April. And display depreciation key, it will show you all the parameters here, your baseline method, explicit percentage method, and straight line, with this is your multi-level method, this is your declining balance method, and this is your period control method. Okay, basically what I am trying to show is 10% here. Okay, many methods are there, hundreds of methods are there, hundreds of methods are there. You have to try again and again, and then you have to see what is the difference.
Class loan.
Okay, so this is all about your straight line method. So we had given all these parameters. Any questions, sir?